Hello, Mario! Subdivision Design 52, Roading Details 3. I'm back, and I've had a little bit of a play around with those tables. I'm not going to say that I'm any the wiser, but I have come up with a solution. And here it is. So I've put my 3 tables in there, and then I've tidied up the plan in here. There's a little bit of overwriting, but I'm sort of think that it's okay. Obviously the values should show up on the actual tables, or if not in the tables, they'll show up in the long sections. I've just recorded the horizontal geometry at this point. So these in here, we've got a little bit of vertical geometry and I may change my mind on that and just show the vertical geometry out to the side. But generally I think the vertical geometry will come out from the and I'm going to go to full screen. It'll come out in the long section pretty clearly, I think, with the chainages and what have you, and we haven't sort of got the values for them on here just yet. I don't know that that's absolutely necessary, because we should be able to work that out pretty easily. So I'm just going to try and keep it fairly simple here at this stage. Enter. Just get everything up in there. So that's that sheet done. Got the coordinates there. So I've just put the tables up in here where we can see, and we've got our curves. So there's sufficient information there certainly to set out the horizontal geometry. And yeah, the actual vertical geometry can be done. The more I think about it, I'm thinking maybe I should come back and just do the vertical geometry. So I may do that at some point. And in here, I've got the just a little bit of overwriting there, but I just wanted to put the lot numbers in. So at this stage, I haven't quite worked out how I'm going to do that, but yeah, I'm sure that'll work out. I may have, just looking at this, I may have to change the title of this plan to Roading Details 1, or it depends. So what will happen from here is we obviously will need some details around this and these 2 intersections and the cul-de-sac head. They'll be part of the Roading Details. There's also, but next up, I think I want to look at long sections and cross sections, which can be generated out of 12D and then put into the into the AutoCAD format. And then we've also got the earthworks to do. So I'll probably do that after the long section and sections, and just do the earthworks with the cut and fill. And then once that's on, then we can start looking at our services and utilities. We also can't forget the I've forgotten it already. Yes, the pram crossings and vehicle crossings and that sort of detail as well, but that could possibly be incorporated into the intersection detail. Certainly the pram crossings and the vehicle entrances. In some subdivisions they're left off, and they're left for the actual owners to decide, because it's very much dependent on the orientation of the house and how everything fits together. But there we go. There's some roading details certainly in there, relatively painlessly once we've done all the design in 12D and got everything sorted out. And then it just generates out of the functionality. A little bit of mucking around trying to get it into AutoCAD. But yep, I think we'll just call it a night there. It's just coming up to midnight, so I better get to bed because I've got to get into work in the morning. So yeah, cheers. See you.